Привіт, я Рут. I'm here to give you my take on another Ukrainian song. This one is called П'ять хвилин, 5 minutes, by a band called Без обмежень, without limits, Без обмежень. And here are the words. The first line.
Там десь на склі твої вуста.
Там десь на склі. There, somewhere on the glass. So sklí is glass. So if you ski, you're going on a very smooth surface, aren't you? So sklí is glass. For me, there's a connection there. Then твої вуста. Horrible. Your lips. So it looks like she's kissed the glass. Personally, I don't want to see lip marks on any glass. But there we have it. Там десь на склі твої вуста. Good to learn this vocabulary. Вуста, lips, склі, glass. Next line.
Шкода, що за вікном мене нема.
Okay, шкода, it's a shame. Gonna use that a lot. Шкода, що за вікном, that behind the glass, мене нема. I'm not there. So he wants to be kissing her through the glass. Шкода, що за вікном, мене нема. Next line. A touch to the temples, a trace from your palms. A touch, dotyk, and temple, do skron. Skli is glass, and slid. I like that word. So we've got skli, glass. Slid is a trace. Slid. So if somebody's slid a greasy hand down the glass, he slid a trace. Vid dolon, from your palms. So dolon must be from your palms. Vid dolon, from your palms. Okay. Dotyk, do skron, slid, vid dolon. It rhymes.
Дотик до скронь, слід від долонь.
Breathing you in is not possible anymore, is no longer possible. I've got a feeling this is going to be difficult to say.
Надихатись тобою вже неможливо, це жахливо.
Breathing you in.
Надихатись тобою вже неможливо.
Надихатись тобою. Надихатись тобою. Надихатись тобою. Is not possible anymore.
Вже неможливо, це жахливо.
Вже неможливо. A phrase that could be used often. Вже неможливо. Вже неможливо. Lots of things aren't possible anymore. Вже неможливо. And a lot of things are terrible, so let's have that.
Це жахливо.
Це жахливо. Це жахливо. Вже неможливо. Це жахливо. You could use that whole cluster as one vocabulary item. Next, you were a miracle.
Ти була дивом.
Ти була дивом. This is a lady. Ти була дивом. What a nice thing to say to somebody. They've given a performance of some sort. Ти була дивом. And then we're into the chorus. 5 minutes. П'ять хвилин. Like 5 centuries. Як 5 сторіч.
5 хвилин, як 5 сторіч.
5 хвилин, як 5 сторіч. A night without you is horror, melodramatic.
Ніч без тебе жах.
Horror, torture. Ніч без тебе жах.
5 хвилин, як 5 сторіч.
5 хвилин, як 5 сторіч, like 5 centuries. And then this is quite an interesting little phrase. Zrywaje dach. Zrywaje dach. Zrywaje is tear off or blows off, and dach is roof. And idiom, so like it tears off the roof, it blows your mind. Okay? Zrywaje, tear off, dach, the roof. Zrywaje dach.
Зриває дах.
Zrywaje dach. I'm going crazy. My mind is blown.
Як у кіно, наче про нас.
Jak u kino, like at the movies. Jak u kino, like at the cinema. Nache, as if, pro nas, about us. Jak u kino, nache pro nas, but they turn on the lights.
Але вмикають світло вже час.
Ale wmykając, they turn on światło, the lights. Ale wmykając światło, wże czas. Time's up. Wże czas. Come on, time to go. Wże czas. And this is where the fella's feeling a bit sad and perhaps a bit sorry for himself, feeling a bit unloved. W twoich wierszach, in your poems, w pieśniach twoich, in your songs.
В твоїх віршах, в піснях твоїх.
W twoich wierszach, w pieśniach twoich. It's a pity that in them, about me, nothing. There isn't. Szkoda, що в них про мене нема.
Шкода, що в них про мене нема.
Шкода, що в них про мене нема.
Ні слова, ні крапки, нічого.
Ні слова, not a word. Ні крапки, not a dot. Нічого, nothing. And I could imagine saying this if I wanted to put an end to an argument. Ні слова, ні крапки, нічого. I think the song is a nice song. It got on the list because I like the song. I'm not all that keen on melodramatic portrayals of love. That's just me. But then I'm an old lady and perhaps it's more suited to young love. And I don't want to really disparage a song that I like and I enjoy, and I am going to enjoy singing along to this song, and there is a link in the description for the words if you would like to sing along too, and there should be a link at the end of the video for a YouTube video of this song, I hope. Okay, дуже дякую і до побачення. Бувай!